closet day is finally here. It's install day and we are so excited. We have a U-Haul and 3 SUVs full of things, plus a third-party U-Haul. So we're excited. We're gonna be busy bees today.
It actually does look different.
Andy is the patient one, and he is so lovely and folding all of these towels perfectly. This bathroom is so stinking pretty that we're continually trying to edit so that it's not over accessorized because it's just stunning. Oh, fab.